everybody? Welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So yesterday, you remember, or not yesterday, it was Friday. Friday, I got the struts mounted onto the wall, got everything prepped for the shutdown box. So this is where I left off and what it looked like on Friday and this morning before I started. So went ahead and threw up the box really quickly. That went by pretty smoothly. And then from there, I went ahead and dropped in the 90s. I put the box up first and then dropped the two 90s in. And then from there, I went ahead and threw up the piece of strut that we cut today. So we'll have a place to strap it now. I did a L bracket strut 90 off of the left side edge and then threw that up there. And then from there, went ahead and had to change out a little bit in the hallway. That pipe run comes into a box in this two gang in this double tile right here. So right at this corner, I had to take the pipe out of the box, and then it was going into the wrong pipe. It got crossed, so I had to basically cut it and then put it back to where it was supposed to go. So that took a while with the containment cart, and that pipe goes into this room and then straight through this wall, and then it drops into this box right here, the one with the red tape for the critical. And we also got a number tape in there, which you can't really read, so we'll probably just use that as a pull string down the road. But went ahead and tied that off onto that right side lower pipe, and that was pretty much all we did today. Got a new apprentice to work with because TJ is working with somebody else right now. And then I also went upstairs into one of the operating rooms and switched out another smoke detector. But this time I got you guys a little video. So went ahead and changed that out from old tile to a new tile. So basically just had to take it off the ceiling and then put the new tile up and then rehook it back up. So anyways, that was my day. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. See you guys in the next one. God bless. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.